Quick review on the HQST 190D panels from High Quality Solar Technologies. Purchased these on Amazon for around $110 each. Comes out to about 57 cents a watt. Currently have them running in series. They were delivered by FedEx. Got here in 3 days. These are the boxes they came in. Nothing fancy with the packaging, just styrofoam corners. And being delivered by FedEx, I was surprised they arrived in one piece. We are just a little after noon and putting out 312 watts at about 45 volts is what I measured before the video. So overall, I'm impressed. I did have the Blue Eddy PV200s and just wasn't impressed at all. Returned those and bought these, and I'm happy with it. I think anybody would be, especially for the price.
Again, 80 watts. Set 3 hours for 80. Hope this helped y'all a lot. I'm pulling 80 in on it. 80 to 79. Full cloud day. Ooh. It's all right.
I put this panel under the sun, then I check the voltage. It's 0.